guys, this is Ivy and welcome back to another episode of Odigo Eats. Today we are at the one and only Dominique Ansel Bakery here at Omotensando, Tokyo. As you may know, this is an internationally famous bakery store and it's a must-go for locals and tourists alike when in this area. Today we're going to try out a few of their signature desserts here at Dominique Ansel. Okay, so we've heard that for Japanese customers, frozen s'mores are the most popular choice when coming to this bakery. But I don't want to miss out on their equally famous frozen s'mores and cronuts, and of course the DKA, which is actually the first choice on this menu. It's called the Dominique Jinguemae. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it correct, but I think I'm going to order those four and try it out. So initially, I thought that this bakery is just a place where you just, come in, line up, buy and go. But apparently they have two stories here, and I'm now sitting on the second story, which is actually a proper restaurant where you can order proper food like pasta, Caesar salads and stuff like that. But if you're in a hurry, you can also order on the first floor where you'll see a wide selection of the beautiful and colorful and delicious looking Dominique Ansel sweets, desserts, cookies, everything you can imagine, and they are all so good. As you can see, everything is here already. The cronut, the DKA, the cookie shot, and the frozen s'mores. I'm so excited for this. I don't know which one to try first. I think I'll start with the frozen s'mores because it's frozen, it might be melting. They're gonna pour the milk already. Oh, that looks amazing. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. But so I'll start with this and go for that. Okay, so let's start with the frozen s'more. You might find this hard to believe, but I've actually never ever had a frozen s'more in my life, so I'm very excited for this. Wow. The outer part of the s'more tastes kind of like honey. It's very sweet, but not too sweet. Oh my god, I think I just hit gold. Okay, so here's a closer look at the s'more. As you can see, there are actually chocolate crispy chips, I guess, inside, and a big chunk of vanilla ice cream, my favorite. This is absolutely amazing. I've never had anything like this in my life before. Dominique Ansel is a genius for inventing this. I can see why this is the most popular choice for the Japanese market. So next, I'm going to try this cookie shot. The cookie cup, I guess, the shot glass, shot cookie, is actually thicker than I thought. Starting to turn into chocolate milk. Okay, let's try this. I don't know why, but the milk is really creamy. Creamier than I thought. Oh, this is amazing. So because the milk kind of melts the chocolate inside, so when you drink it, in the end it kind of feels like you're drinking chocolate milk. I cannot get enough of this. Alright, let me bite into the cookie cup. So as you can see, this cookie shot glass, I guess, is actually very thick and tightly packed, and inside you'll see a layer of chocolate. I just realized why the milk tastes so good. I think there is a hint of vanilla in it, plus it's cold, and this cookie shot glass is kind of warm, so the combination of cold milk and this warm cookie is just amazing. It reminds me of my childhood. And again, I've actually never had anything like this before, so this so far is a pretty amazing experience. Alright, so next we're going to try the DKA. I believe it's pronounced the Dominique Jinguemae. If there are any French people watching this video, please let me know if my pronunciation is correct. It smells kind of like a croissant, very milky, creamy, buttery. It smells heavenly. It's actually heavier than I expected, and I believe this is glazed with honey or sugar. And okay, let's try this out. Ooh, and it's very crispy as well. Oh my god, I did not expect this. I don't know how to bite into this. Wow. I just opened up the DKA and the inside smells even better than the outside. Smells like my grandma's homemade pies or something. I'm having the time of my life here. I feel like a little kid with like, I don't know, like sugar on my fingers, and I just had more milk. Let's try what the inside tastes like. So this DKA is crispy on the outside and very tender and soft on the inside. I really can't decide which one is my favorite right now. It's very buttery, so once you swallow it, it leaves like a very nice aftertaste at the back of your throat, which I love. Let's move on to this one, the cronut. Alright, so moving on to our last dish, if you will, this amazing cronut. The beautiful creation invented by Dominique Ansel himself, a combination between a croissant and a donut, both of which I love. So as you can see, there is green tea sugar on the outside of this cronut, and ooh, icing on top. I believe this is strawberry, and these are freeze-dried fresh strawberries, so smells pretty nice. The shop owner told us that every month actually they change the icing and the flavor of this cronut. So Dominique Ansel Bakeries in Japan and London and America all have different tastes every month. It's too beautiful. I kind of don't want to eat it. It's so pretty. Oh wow. I know I have sugar all over my mouth right now, but I don't care because this is so good. This cronut has a very good balance between the strawberry jam and the green tea chocolate. For me, because I'm a big fan of green tea, as I know a lot of you guys out there are, the flavor of the green tea chocolate, it's very creamy, it's very strong, and for me it stands out more than the strawberry jam. So if you're also a big fan of green tea like me, remember not to miss out on this amazing cronut from the Dominique Ansel Bakery. Alright, so sadly, I've finished all 4 of the amazing pastries here at Dominique Ansel. And I must say my favorite is probably the frozen s'more. All 4 of them were amazing, but I just haven't personally ever had a frozen s'more in my life before, and I love the way the marshmallow and the ice cream just melts in your mouth. It is absolutely life-changing. Was that enough?
Yeah, super good.
This is really good. I also love the atmosphere of the Dominique Ansel Bakery. It's very classy, and it is in a perfect location right beside the Omotensando shopping street. So if you're looking to take a break from all your shopping in Omotensando, don't forget to drop by this bakery. Even if you don't speak Japanese, don't worry about it because they have a very international team here, so you will definitely have someone to help you out and choose your favorite pastry here at Dominique Ansel. That's a wrap for today. I will see you guys in the next episode of Odigo Eats.